Alright guys, what's going on? This is your boy Beowulf, back here with another video. Hope you guys enjoyed the last video where I showed you guys how to do oil change in 2018 Sea Doo RXT X 300, baby. So, check this out. Big giant box from Riva Racing. What do you think's in a box? I can't show you guys at all, but I'll pull one thing out that I'm going to show you guys how to do an install video. So, you find in the box real quick. Woo, too many goodies in here. Too many goodies. I don't want to start spoiling nothing. I guess I got to just pause the video so you guys don't see what I pull out of the box. Alright, so you guys ready to see what I got? This is the first mod we're putting in. The title race is what it is, so it's not a spoil. I got the Riva Racing oil catch can. Now I'll show you guys. So here's the tube for it. So like real quick install because I already got the cover pulled off of everything. So this is gonna be real quick. If you want to see how to pull this off, watch the video where it shows how to do oil change. It shows a whole detailed thing how we take off the cover, the lid on the back, gets everything. There's all the nuts and bolts and the whole 9 yards. Here's our oil catch can. Oh, there's still many goodies. And the bracket. So, pull out and show you guys what the catch can looks like. Look at this thing, man. Real nice piece. Look at this. Now I'm going to show you something too. I have a catch can on my Jeep SRT. And this is why I really think this is a must to have. I know on my RXP-X 300, I'm going to be putting one of these in when I do the next list of option or mods with that. Which I don't want to spoil nothing, but the RXP-X will be getting one of these with some of the other future mods. Nice thing is you use the valve, drops oil right out of there. This can work with the stock intake or the Riva Racing intake. That'll get to what we're going to be doing. But I'm doing this first because I'm getting access to all this area in the engine. And I'm going to do this real quick because this is pretty fast. Take me not that long to install it. But I want to show you guys something. I got this catch can on my Jeep SRT. I had it in there for like a month. Now, this is how much oil, this is a regular water belt. This is how much oil I got in my Jeep SRT with 1 month of running a catch can. This has been going straight into the intake. That's a big no-no. I know I'm going to be putting one on my Hellcat soon. Well, I did order one through this one company, the same company where I got the one for the Jeep SRT. But if I ever do a pulley swap or an aftermarket supercharger on the Hellcat, you can't use this one brand catch can. It has nowhere to mount it. So I canceled my order with this company, which it took a couple months. But I know this custom catch can I got for the Jeep SRT, it took like 4 months to get. I ordered one for Riva Racing and I got it within like a couple of weeks. So real nice kit. And we don't want this oil like this where it's going to the Jeep SRT. We don't want this happening to the jet ski. We ride really hard. So that's what we're doing, and it's going to be kind of curious to see what between the catch can, how much oil you're collecting with the jet ski, to the performance vehicles like my Jeep SRT or my Challenger Hellcat. So let's get going on the install on this. All right, so we're first going to discuss about where we're going to be mounting stuff and what we're doing. To have this block off valve, that which will go coupled right here. Future mods, I won't be worrying about any of this, but you're basically going to run this long hose that came with it. This long hose right here is going to be coming running here. There's two star keys. Let's see if we can release them in there. This one here, that one below. Pulling those out. That's where the oil catch can is going to mount. You might see there's some water in there right now. I was cleaning up a mess that happened in here and I didn't get a chance to ride to kind of get all the water out. I've been running a fan, which you're supposed to. Yeah, so that's why there's some water in here. Usually there shouldn't be. I didn't think there was, but I didn't ride today, so I couldn't get it all out because I really want to be doing these mods. So let's get going. I'm going to show you guys how to mount the hardware up, and we'll hook this up, but this is going to be a really fast mod to do. Alright, so got the red thread lock. As you can see in the picture, you gotta put mounting for here and here for the RXT X. Boom! Let's do it. Okay, got the Loctite on. Let's get this thing mounted up. Okay, so it's all mounted up. I got a torque to 7 foot-pounds. So let's get this thing on the jet ski. Alright, so got the oil catch can installed. Ooh, it was a pain in the butt to get those bolts, but I got to them. It's in there. It's cool because you can take like a, I'm trying to figure what I could squeeze down there to drain it into. You probably would have to move the battery over when you do it. Yeah, but it's in there. So now all I just gotta do is unhook this, cap that, and then it goes right there. Alright, so I installed that cap right there. That's if you're running the stock intake. Gonna run that hose to over there. So that's, got that hooked up, ran to there. That's an oil catch can, 2018 Sea Doo RXT X 300. Woo! It's hot out doing work out in the south. Woo! It was like cool out, and then I'm just still sweating when it's cooled off today. Yeah, so that's pretty much the setup. And if you're new to the channel, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button. I'll see you again in the next video, and that's when we're going to see the big performance going to be happening on this. So stay tuned. It's going to be exciting. It's going to be epic. And all I can give you a hint is I have to remove like everything out. That doesn't give it away. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Hope you have a good one. Later.